Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into something pretty fascinating, the product history of the Tamiya Corporation. You know, the name's synonymous with those amazing models.
Absolutely. Precision, quality,
Mm.
they're legendary.
Right, and our mission today is, well, ambitious. We want to try and quantify their total product output over the years and really loom in on their radio-controlled or RC vehicles.
And it's quite the number we've landed on.
Yeah, get this. Our analysis estimates Tamiya has released something like 13,337 unique products since they started back in 1946. Just wrap your head around that for a second.
It's huge. And what's really interesting here is how we got to that figure. There's no official master list, you see.
No single catalog, wow.
No. So this number comes from a proprietary estimation model. We had to systematically analyze Tamiya's product numbering systems, their SKUs, across, dozens of different product lines.
So it's a data-driven estimate pieced together from their own numbering. That sounds pretty robust.
Exactly. It gives us a solid base.
Okay, so that's the big picture, but what about their RC segment? That feels like the core of Tamiya for so many people.
It absolutely is. That RC segment, it accounts for a remarkable 7,687 of those products.
Wow, so that's, what, over half?
Yeah, 57.6%. A clear majority of everything they've ever made.
Yeah.
But here's where it gets really surprising when you break that down further.
Okay.
Well, only 1,561 of those are actual RC vehicle kits.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the cars, the trucks themselves.
Just 1,561. That sounds low compared to the total RC number. That's only, what, about 11.7% of all their products?
Precisely. The vast majority, 6,126 products, are RC model accessories.
6,000 accessories.
Yes. That's 45.9% of Tamiya's entire historical output, just RC accessories.
Wait, so for every RC kit they release?
They release approximately 4 unique accessory products to go with it. Think about that ratio. 4 to 1.
4 to 1. That's clearly intentional. That points to a strategy, right?
Absolutely. That 4 to 1 ratio, that's the cornerstone, the strategic genius, you could say, behind their incredibly successful ecosystem business model.
Ecosystem model. Explain that.
Well, selling the kit, that's just the start. It's the entry point. Once you've bought the kit, you're drawn into this huge world of potential upgrades, spares, and customization options.
Ah, so the kit gets you in the door.
Exactly. And the accessories keep you engaged, keep you spending, keep you invested in the hobby. It's designed for long-term customer engagement. It fosters this continuous revenue stream. You buy a car, then you want the better motor, the aluminum shock.
The hop-ups.
Precisely. Those performance upgrades, the hop-up options.
Yeah.
We're talking around 2,059 different hop-up products, often premium stuff, like aluminum or carbon fiber parts.
And that's just one category. What else falls under accessories?
Oh, plenty. Standard spare parts, just to keep things running. We estimate maybe 3,750 of those.
Yeah.
Then RC systems, electronics, ESCs, servos, maybe 38 or so unique items there.
Okay.
And for the really serious racers, the top-tier Tamiya Racing Factory TRF parts. Competition grade. Around 279 different products there. It all adds up.
It really does. It paints a picture of this vast universe built around the initial kit.
And it's a universe they've been building for a long time. Remember, Tamiya started as a lumber business back in 46.
A lumber business. That's quite a pivot.
Isn't it? Then wooden models in 48, their first all-plastic kit in 1960. And then the big one for RC, that 1976 launch of the 112 scale RC Porsche 934 Turbo. That really lit the fuse for the global RC boom.
So this RC ecosystem has deep roots.
Definitely. This long journey led to the sophisticated product strategy we see today. Our analysis confirms it. The RC segment, overwhelmingly driven by accessories, is Tamiya's strategic heart. It shows how they lead the market through this incredible product range and that legendary precision.
So wrapping this up, what's the key takeaway for you listening right now? The real magic of Tamiya, arguably, isn't just the amazing quality of the kits themselves, museum pieces though they often are. It's the brilliant strategic architecture of this integrated, profitable RC universe they've built. It's just a masterclass in building a brand and keeping customers hooked.
It really is.
Which leaves us with a thought to consider. What other companies, maybe in totally different fields, use a similar ecosystem approach? Think about software, gaming, maybe even coffee machines. And what can we learn from how they engage customers not just for one sale, but for the long haul? Something to chew on.